Welcome back to another video from your friends here at Altitude University. There are many ways to make money as a drone service provider, but have you ever thought of offering a subscription service? In this video, we'll show you how to access this potentially profitable revenue stream. Before we begin, make sure to hit those like and subscribe buttons so we can continue to provide you with more drone-related content. Subscription services are becoming increasingly popular in the drone industry as more clients seek consistent, ongoing drone-based solutions rather than one-time projects. As a drone operator, offering subscription services can provide steady, recurring revenue and strengthen client relationships. Here's a guide on creating subscription-based models for your drone business with tips on the types of services to offer, pricing strategies, and how to manage these services efficiently. First, why offer subscription services? Subscription services are appealing to both drone operators and clients. For clients, they provide consistent, predictable access to drone data, helping them achieve long-term project goals like site monitoring, asset inspections, or environmental surveys. For drone operators, subscription models offer stable revenue, predictable cash flow, and reduced downtime between projects. By establishing ongoing contracts, you can build a loyal client base, streamlining your operations and enhancing your business's profitability. Many industries such as real estate, construction, agriculture, and environmental monitoring are ideal for subscription-based drone services because of their need for regular data updates. Subscription models work best when you focus on services that require regular, repeated flights. Here are some types of subscription-based services that drone operators can offer. First, construction site monitoring. Construction firms often need ongoing progress updates, typically on a weekly or monthly basis. Drones can capture aerial footage of site progress, monitor stockpiles, and ensure safety compliance. Another is real estate and property management. Property managers and real estate developers may benefit from regular flyovers to monitor property conditions, capture seasonal changes, or track ongoing developments. Next, agricultural crop monitoring. In agriculture, drone operators can monitor crop health at regular intervals to detect issues with irrigation, soil quality, or disease early on. Offering monthly or seasonal monitoring services can add significant value for farmers. Environmental surveys. For environmental agencies or companies with sustainability goals, drone operators can perform periodic checks on water sources, forest health, wildlife habitats, or pollution levels. Industrial inspections. Regular inspections of large industrial sites such as power plants, oil rigs, or pipelines can be valuable for detecting wear and tear, potential hazards, or safety compliance issues. Next, roof and asset inspections. Many commercial buildings and infrastructure sites require regular inspections to check for damages. A subscription service can provide clients with quarterly or annual inspections to maintain asset integrity. Now let's get into structuring a subscription service. When creating a subscription service, it's essential to think about pricing, service frequency, and deliverable formats. Here's a framework for structuring these key elements. First, start with defining service frequency. Decide how often you'll provide the service. Options could be weekly, monthly, quarterly, or even annually, depending on the type of monitoring the client needs. For instance, construction sites may require weekly updates, while agricultural clients may only need seasonal monitoring. Next, set clear deliverables. Specify exactly what clients will receive with each service. For example, you might provide a set number of aerial photos, a video overview, a 3D map, or a data report. Clarity on deliverables helps clients understand the value they're receiving on a recurring basis. Followed by that, you want to consider offering tiered pricing options. Offering multiple subscription tiers gives clients flexibility to choose a plan that fits their budget and needs. For instance, a basic plan could include monthly site visits with photos and a simple report, while a premium plan might offer bi-weekly visits, detailed mapping, and data analysis. Don't forget to establish a contract. Subscription services work best with written contracts that detail the frequency, pricing, deliverables, and terms for any additional services. Clearly define cancellation policies, renewal terms, and the scope of the agreement to avoid misunderstandings. Now let's talk about pricing for your subscription service. Pricing is one of the most critical elements of a successful subscription model. Here are some tips for setting your subscription prices. First, factor in your costs. Calculate the cost for each flight, including fuel, labor, post-production editing, data processing, and wear and tear on equipment. Subscription pricing should cover these costs and yield a profit margin. Next, research competitor pricing. Look at what similar services cost on a one-time basis and adjust your subscription price to offer value without undercutting yourself. Subscription pricing should incentivize clients to choose the long-term plan over one-time services by providing them with a savings over time. You may want to incorporate a discounted rate. Offer a small discount for clients who commit to a longer-term contract. This can make the subscription more attractive compared to one-time bookings and help secure stable revenue. Don't forget to allow for upsell opportunities. Consider building in optional add-ons like additional site visits, specialized data analysis, or high-resolution mapping. Upselling can enhance your revenue and provide greater flexibility for clients with changing needs. Once you have clients signed up for subscription services, you'll need an efficient workflow for managing recurring site visits and deliverables. Here are some strategies. Use scheduling software. Calendar software or client management tools can help you organize flight schedules, monitor deadlines, and keep track of multiple clients and locations. You'll also want to look at automating reporting. Set up templates for reports or data analysis, especially if the same deliverables are required for each site visit. Automating as much of the reporting process as possible will save time and money. Don't forget to maintain open communication. Regularly check in with your clients to ensure they're satisfied with the service. Even though it's a subscription, keeping in touch demonstrates commitment and helps identify any adjustments they may need. Review and adjust. Periodically evaluate the effectiveness of your subscription services and pricing. As you get feedback from clients, adjust the frequency, deliverables, or pricing to meet evolving needs and increase client satisfaction. So, with that said, before jumping into subscription services, let's briefly cover the benefits and challenges of subscription models. Here are some of the benefits. Steady income. Subscription models provide consistent revenue, helping with cash flow sustainability and long-term financial planning. You also get client retention. Subscriptions encourage ongoing relationships with clients, reducing the need for constant client acquisition. And you get a predictable workload. With a set schedule, you can better plan your time, manage equipment maintenance, and reduce downtime. Now for the challenges. Upfront setup. Establishing recurring service agreements and managing schedules can require an initial time and money investment. Deliverable expectations. Meeting expectations consistently over time requires high-quality, reliable services with minimal errors. Balancing new and existing clients is another challenge. While subscription clients provide stability, it's essential to leave room for new or one-time clients to keep your business growing. Creating subscription services as a drone operator can enhance your business by building lasting client relationships and generating recurring revenue. With careful planning, clear deliverables, and effective management, you can create a valuable service that supports clients' long-term needs while securing stable income for your business. Embrace the subscription model, and you may find it to be one of the most sustainable paths for growth in the drone industry. That's it for this week's video. From all of us at Altitude University, stay safe out there and happy flying.